When it comes to marketing content, it can be tempting to just roll up your sleeves and do it yourself. After all, nobody knows your business like you do. You know all your products and services, can list all the ways they outclass your competitors, and have all the numbers on how they'd give your customers more bang for their buck. What could go wrong, right? But there are 3 good reasons for you to choose an agency over content DIY. Number 1, money making. Rather than you losing hours of your working day writing, reviewing and rewriting content, you can have an agency team handle those stages with care, while you focus on other core tasks. Number 2, time saving. Getting a project from conception to completion can take any number of steps, with even more needed afterwards for social media posts to increase engagement. Having help to deliver and maintain a consistent content schedule can be a massive time saver. And number 3, storytelling. Sure, your staff may know your company inside out, but how good are they at telling stories? Content agencies are there to look beyond the list of specs and focus on getting the message across while connecting with the audience. Creating great content is what we live for. So before you turn a leaky faucet into a sinkhole, consider what a content agency can do for you. I think I need to go and make a call. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, I think I made it worse.